There are so many promises that I want you to know I will keep close to my heart. I promise to be there when you need me. I promise to hug you tight when you feel lonely. I promise to wipe your tears away when they fall. And most of all, I promise to keep you, because you are my everything. Through the good times and the bad, I want to be there through all of it with you. I love you so much, Sammy, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
You, Chase, are my happily ever after, and I know no matter what happens in our future, no matter the struggles we face, as long as you're holding my hand, then we're going to be up just fine. Through the good and the bad, I will be there loving you until the end of time.
I feel something, it's bigger than my body, bigger than my body. When I see you, I see sparks, lighting up my heart. When I see you, I see sparks, time after time. When I see you, I see sparks. I see sparks.
Is there anyone present today who objects to this marriage? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
What is life? Sign picture. Girl, you shine. Million colors. Of pink and white. I wonder what I discover in your eyes. If I took the time and I looked inside, and I made you mine. What is life? Sign a story. Girl, you're mine.
when he made the sunset, now on tougher days, we all have a reason to smile. I thought when he made our love that he'd gone crazy, but now I say he made your touch, girl, just to save me.
I believe that God made you with me in mind, just like he made the moon to turn the tide.
You fill every crack up in my shattered life. I believe that God made you with me in mind.
When he made the first man, he saw it good, but incomplete.
Now I know when I touch your hand, divinely he designed our hearts to meet. I thought when he made our love that he'd gone crazy, but now I say he made your touch, girl, just to save me. I believe that God made you with me in mind, just like he made the moon to turn the tide.
You fill every crack up in my shattered life. I believe that God made you with me in mind.
Alrighty. Chase, if you could put your hand on top of Sammy's hand. Just look at each other. Savor this moment. Chase, especially. Because this is the last time that you will have the upper hand. Good evening, everyone. I'm Kayla, Sammy's maid of honor, and I couldn't be happier or more proud to be the one helping her out on this big day. Sammy and I have been friends since we were quite literally infants, and I'm pretty sure there are home videos stashed somewhere to prove it. Our dads were friends, we're distant relatives, and we had the same school bus route. I'd say it was meant to be. Some of my favorite memories with Sammy have been on this bus ride. Many times she was determined to sleep, which baffled me as a little kid. But when she was awake, we would cause all sorts of ruckus together. We mashed each other's crazy. We plotted how to get away with breaking Donna's rules. We sneakily showed each other our daily underwear patterns. You know, remember my Little Pony underwear? And on a special occasion, we brought an obscene amount of stuffed animals in our backpacks to play with. I can't forget the amount of memories of our favorite Australian mermaid show, H2O, and how we just longed to be mermaids despite living in the middle of high desert country. You could go swim in Bullet Creek, right? You know, it's fine. Yeah. Well, now we're all grown up, and just look how far we've made it together, side by side. Sammy has shown me countless times over the years that she is someone you don't take for granted. I'm the luckiest girl in the world to have her as my best friend. Sammy's had my back through so many hard times, and has always believed in me, even when I was at my lowest points. And you know what I'm talking about. I'm beyond grateful for our friendship, and I couldn't be happier that she has found someone to share her life with that won't take everything that she is for granted. At least you better not, Chase. I'm watching you. I don't remember which exactly was the first thing I heard about Chase, but it was either, he brings me donuts, or maybe it was that she's the male version of Sammy, which the first thing I thought was, that's a lot of chaos. But once I met him, I understood that he was exactly like Sammy in all of the best ways. Their values, their likes, dislikes, and sense of humor, etc. They balanced each other out with everything else. Chase is the calm to Sammy's storm, and Sammy brings the life to Chase's parties. I look to you two when I lose faith in love. May you always be devoted to one another in love, and honor one another above yourselves. To Sammy and Chase.
Shit, I'm not gonna top that. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Caden. Been brothers with this guy since the day I was born, last I checked. On behalf of the groom, the bride, groomsmen, bridesmaids, everybody, we want to thank you all for coming today. And being a part of their special day, and I want to thank you two also for having and inviting all of us be a part of your special day and living, through the sun and the rain today, But, what a fantastic day it's been so far. So much of Sammy's hard work and preparation has gone in to make this happen. Chase, I know your inputs of I don't know and I don't care and whatever you want, babe, have really helped this wedding. She's right, I'm wrong. Let's also not forget the moms. Moms, can you please stand up? I want a round of applause for the moms. And the broken nails into making this wedding happen. Thank you both for an extraordinary time.
You're welcome, we quit.
You are done for the night. Now, I know Chase didn't have an easy decision in choosing his best man. First, he called the most successful person he knew, which they told him no. Then he called the smartest person he knew, who also said no. Then he asked the most attractive person he knew, they also said no. And then he called me. I said, Chase, I can't say no to you 4 times now. Like growing up with my childhood best friend. We did everything together. We played games together, we went everywhere together, and we often sometimes thought we were psychic because we always knew what the other one was going to say at any moment, at any time. Now, this isn't actually Chase's first wedding. This is actually his second wedding. Believe it or not, when we were very much in kids in Middleton when we lived, we had some neighbors, 2 girls, and they were exactly our ages, and we had a marriage for them. They got up on the trampoline, Chance went and ran inside and grabbed a Bible, and they got married on the trampoline. So hopefully this one lasts longer than Now, can we just take a quick second to appreciate how good Sammy looks tonight? Absolutely stunning in your dress tonight. Now, I know maybe it's different for some of you, but usually I'm used to seeing her in the pants she wears in their relationship, but this is I could go on humiliating Chase, but I have to remind myself that there are children present and he can do a good job of that himself. I have other stories to tell. I'll be sitting by the bar. My go-to is, what is it? I forgot. Jack and Coke. No, it's not. I don't know. That's I have been given the honor of giving the final speech, so I have the honor of giving the final toast. So will you all please raise your glasses for me, not only for the wonderful couple, but to the many years of happy marriage I wish for them. Congratulations to you both. Chase, it's been an honor being your best man. Love you, brother. Love you too, Sammy. Welcome to the family.
Like I'm dreaming. Inside this feeling, I wanna breathe it all, see in vivid color every sunrise. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Beautiful life. It's a beautiful